Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, but you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 9372. 9372. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's, 1 2 3 4, and 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And now I need to think. Double O's. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest we have ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Double check. 1 2 3 4, correct. In 2 minutes we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.